Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I'm super excited because I have the My Favorite Things March release. Now, Greg and Laurel had told me I was on a My Favorite Things spending ban based on the video I did of my last haul. And if you didn't see that, you can check the top right hand corner. However, I decided that I needed this release. The reason being is that they did something totally unique for this month's release. It's a new interactive element that hasn't been done before, and I was super excited by it. Again, I should tell you, I bought all of these things. They weren't sent to me by My Favorite Things, but I needed to buy them. And we needed them, right? We needed them. So, Greg's frowning at me, saying, no, you didn't. But let me show you what I bought, because I pretty much bought most things. There was a couple of basics dies I didn't get, but apart from that, I kind of bought it all. I can share it with you, and then you can get to see it in the flesh before you decide if you need it in your craft room. So I bought their new rain dies. This is stencil rather. So this is a background stencil that has rain, and you'll see it mixed with a couple of other things. It's called the Mini Staggered Raindrops. I'm a stencil junkie. I'm sure you know that by now. But could you imagine this being done with the new Gina K Glitch Gel or your Moonstone paste from Tonic? Or you could ink it and then Moonstone paste it, or you could blend and then paste it. I mean, there's so many different options. And then they have this new Sun Rays one as well. Again, paste it, ink blend, and then paste. So many different options. This one is called Ray of Light. I have tons of ideas. Or how about ink blend and then do the ghosting technique where you add water afterwards? So lots of ideas there. Then I'm going to save this one till the end. This is the A2 rectangle frames. Now, I really like frames because they add a nice finishing touch to our cards, but we're also going to probably need them, I think, for the new interactive element that's coming. So I'm saving that one to the end because I think that's the best. They also had this new red rubber fresh cut flowers background. I am a flowers junkie because I love to play with my shimmer powders, my watercolors, my pastes and my gels and all of those fun things. And I'm always looking for new things to play around with. So this is a beautiful flower and it's in that red rubber, which means we can get tons of detail. Also, I really like red rubber when I'm using my alcohol lifting. I find I get a better impression. Maybe it's just a psychological thing. But I thought that this with alcohol lifting is going to look gorgeous, or on top of my alcohol pearls too. So there's another thing. So there's that. Then I picked out these new little teddies. These are called Rainy Bears Freebies. So at the moment, it was a while stocks last. I'm not sure if it's still available, but if you ordered at the beginning of the release, these were a freebie if you placed a certain size of order. But aren't they just gorgeous? So there's the three little bears, there's the umbrella, of course it will work with the raindrops. Then it says we can weather any storm together, showering you with love, and you fill even rainy days with sunshine. Super, super cute. Now, if you want to know about new releases that come out and things, I always post them on our Instagram stories. I post them on our Facebook page, facebook.com/thehedgehoghollow or at the Hedgehog Hollow on Instagram. And you can check those out. I also have two Facebook groups, Stamping at the Hedgehog Hollow and Crafty Sales on Facebook. And I post on there always with the links with any special offers that are going on. Plus we have our Friday newsletter that you can sign up for at thehedgehoghollow.com. And we post, we just send out one newsletter a week that's on a Friday with new releases, coupons, all those fun things. So you can sign up at thehedgehoghollow.com. This is Sweet Friend. So this is a girl on her swing, a little rabbit. We have Hi Sweet Friend, You're Not Alone, A Perfect Day is One You Share with a Friend, and You Make Me Happy. And this is going to go with that new interactive set, as is this tree branch, and you can add the leaves on using the dies. This one was the free with 60, so if you spend over $60 at My Favorite Things, you get a free die. These will also all be available with at Ellen Hudson, so you'll be able to use your Ellen Hudson coupon code from the Hedgehog Hollow with these as well. This is the Start Each Day with a Wee. So here you have the My Favorite Things character on her swing. Thanks for giving me the push I needed, swinging by with a hi, and start each day with a wee, which I think is really cute. And again, that's going to work with those interactives. I'm going to keep those to the side for a second. We have a new shaker option. So this is your kite frame. You have your other options in here for cutting out the middle. You have your kite bow, and then you have all of your intricate pieces here. And as I showed you in that previous video, these are the shaker pouches. So you can then buy these. The idea being is you can cut this out on your card and you can cut your frame out, and then all you have to do is take this piece, which fits perfectly in here once you've cut it out. It has a dipped piece that you can fill with your favorite tonic sequins or confettis, and then you have an instant shaker card. You just apply some tape or your favorite adhesive down here, and off you go. You have an instant shaker, and it's super easy and ready to go. How cool is that? So that is a new one. We also have some sentiments. So this sentiment is called Anything But Basic Encouragements, and I'm a sentiment junkie, as you know. So we have things like, I'm always here for you, just try to get rid of me, which I think is just so much fun. You are strong enough to get this far. You are strong enough to keep going. Sometimes things fall apart so that better things can fall together. So freaking thrilled for you. Happy, I just felt like giving you a card today. So things like that, which I think are really nice. So some fun kind of punny sentiments in there. And of course, everything will be linked in the video description for you in the order of the video. And then the final one I ordered was Best in Show. Look at these cute puppies. And they can go over here, they can go through these tunnels, and you can mix this with the slider pieces that My Favorite Things have. So you could make them hop the fence, you could make them run through the tunnel, and then of course lots of punny sentiments to go with those dogs. But my favorite bit, which is why I had to buy into this release, was this interactive element. So this is called the interactive swing, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. The idea being that you can take this swing piece and these clouds, and you can build a scene where the swing really swings on the card. So it will swing backwards and forwards. Now I will be doing some videos on this. They won't be out this week because I'm about to go on a trip, but when I get back, I will be having a full tutorial on how you can integrate the Start Every Day with the Wii and the Sweet Friends stamp set, and of course the Free with 60. You can integrate all of this together to make some really fun interactive cards. And I also, to go with those rectangular borders that I showed you earlier on, these ones here, you can also use these shaker pouches to have a full shaker card. So this is another new replenishment available at My Favorite Things. So lots and lots of fun things going on in this release. Don't forget to check out the coupon codes in the video description. Lots of savings for you at all of our favorite stores, exclusive to our Hedgehog Hollow viewers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of all of our daily videos of tips, tricks, hauls, and so much more. And check out the Hedgehog Hollow kit too. We brought back our favourite black and white spotty box, and you can find out more in that top right hand corner or in the video description too, as well as all of your links and coupon codes. And if you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping everyone. Bye.